Hi friends, this is me Harshdevi Handal. Today I am going to talk about delusion. Delusion is a very important topic as per psychiatry and also for forensic medicine. Coming to the definition of delusion, delusion is a false, firm, unshakable belief. It cannot be explained on the basis of persons' social or cultural backgrounds. That is, delusion is a false form, unshakable belief, and it cannot be explained on the basis of the patient's social or cultural backgrounds. This is the definition of delusion. Coming to the delusion of persecution. Delusion of a persecution is a delusion in which the person always believes there is always someone who is plotting plans against him, want to kill him or want to cheat him. When he see a friend speaking on phone and all to anyone, he feels that he is talking bad about him. So every time he has a suspect, like doubtful, doubtful, and he feels someone is going to kill him. Someone is always thinking about bad about him. Someone is plotting a plan bad about him, plotting a plan against him. This is about persecution. Coming to the delusion of reference, here the patient or in delusion of reference, the person always feel anything that is happening, even the neutral things, are always referring to him. Someone passes nearby and they talk about something, they feel that they are talking about that person only. That is always neutral things are also related to him. This is his notion. Delusion of reference. Coming to the delusion of guilt, here this is the most common delusion present in depressed people. Depression. Delusion of guilt is something in which the person feels that there is always he is a very cruel person. He has done all the sins which no one ever had committed, and he feels he is responsible for all the actions. Whatever bad happens, he always think that it is because of him things are going bad, and he feels he is the biggest sinner. And this is what the delusion of guilt. Coming to the delusion of grandiosity, it is the common delusion associated or seen in mania. That is, a person with the delusion of grandiosity feels that he is a very powerful, like very powerful both physically, mentally. He feels he's like a king or boss. He always feels whatever he says that should happen. He just forgets the reality, and he always thinks he has a very supernatural power, something which is very great. That is what is all about delusion of grandiosity. These people think that uh, they are the upper strata people to whom every person should listen to, like that. This is about delusion of grandiosity. Coming to delusion of nihilism. Nihilism is also known as Cotard syndrome or delusion of negativity. Here, the patient feels that he doesn't exist, or the word doesn't exist, or everything is zero, something like that. He feel ये भी नहीं रहता, मैं भी नहीं रहता हूँ, वर्ड भी नहीं रहता है, सो पूरा ज़ीरो है, ऐसा समझ के वो जीता है. दिस इज अबाउट nihilistic disorder. Like they deny that there is a presence of world or himself or society, and they always leave like there this word has gone into an end, I am no more, like that. These are the thoughts that come to nihilistic delusion people. Delusion of love is also known as erotomania. It is also known as Declermont syndrome. Delusion of love is a delusion in which the person suffering from this feels there is a person who loves him more, and it is usually seen in persons who are of lower strata, or not exactly lower strata. The love which the patient show towards is usually towards a upper middle class, upper upper class, that is higher socioeconomic status people. Like for example, an auto rickshaw patient, like auto rickshaw driver comes to you and he says, Priyanka Chopra loves me very much, and she always talks about me only, and she denies that she is about to propose me today, like that. They say that is the love towards. Delusion of infidelity. Delusion of infidelity is also known as delusion of jealousy, also known as pathological jealousy, or morbid jealousy. You should always remember the other names also, because the questions can use other words to confuse you, or the option can include any of the synonyms. Othello syndrome, it is also the other name. Here, for example, he always doubts the partner. The person believes that the sexual partner is always unfaithful. It's more common in alcoholics. Coming to delusion of enormity. Here, the patient, uh, I want to give an example for delusion of enormity. That is, the patient and sneezes 2 times. Then he feels something bad happens. He relates that to him. That is, he enormously he relates anything bad happens to himself. This is an example I want to quote about delusion of enormity. That is, enormously he always come into conclusion, which is error, like that kind. Coming to somatic delusion. Somatic delusion. Soma is anything which is related to body. Soma, that is body. Here, delusion. Soma means body. That is, the patient believes that some part of its body is dysmorphic. वो सोचता है कि like my nose is not good, my nose is long, my tongue is weird, my ears are weird, my nose is weird, etc. etc. This is about somatic delusion. Coming to delusion of infestation. It is also known as delusional parasitosis. Cytosis. That is, he feels there worms are crawling, insects are crawling on his hand, etc. etc. This is about a delusion. He has a thought, a delusion about insects crawling over him. This is delusion of infestation. And now coming to the Capgras delusion. It is the delusion of doubles. See, there was a couple who were very happy before, and the person now suffers from Capgras. Now he fails to identify the partner as his own partner. He always feels this is an imposter of my wife, or imposter of my partner. This is not actually my partner. So he always doubts. This is about कैपग्रास delusion. That is, वो सोचता है कि अपना जो है उसमें कोई दूसरा है. मतलब he doesn't accept his partner now, not anymore. He feels he is a stranger. This is about Capgras delusion. Coming to Frigoli. Frigoli means Everyone appears familiar. You remember F for Frigoli, F for familiar. That is uh, the person see this couple, like they are very happy, and they know each other. After the one of the partners suffers from Frigoli, now that partner whom now when he goes on a street and he sees various other people, he always sees other people has his wife. That is, he believes that this is actually the one who are on the street, it's actually my wife only, but she is in disguise करके वो दूसरी वेश में है, ऐसा सोचते हैं वो, डिस्गाइज करके वो रहती है, लेकिन मेरा वाइफ जो है मेरा वही है वो। लेकिन सब फेमिलियर लगने लगता है, कोई नहीं नहीं देखा हुआ लोग भी उसको फेमिलियर लगने लगता है। दिस इज फ्रिगोली सिंड्रोम। कमिंग टू delusion of intermetamorphosis. Delusion of intermetamorphosis, it is a patient believes that they can see others change into someone else both physically and also psychologically. Remember friends, the Capgras, the Frigoli and the delusion of intermetamorphosis all are delusion of identity disorders. And one more addition to that identity delusion is delusion of subjective doubles. Delusion of subjective doubles, that is, the patient believes that he or she has a double or doppelganger of similar appearances. Similar appearance, but usually differ in their characters and lead their own life. This is their delusion. This is all about delusion of subjective doubles. Note the Capgras, Fregoli, delusion of subjective doubles, and delusion of intermetamorphosis. All are delusion of identity. Further delusions can be classified as bizarre and non bizarre. Non bizarre is a delusion in which the person has a delusion, that is, a thought, which is relatively acceptable socially and scientifically. Means the delusion can also be scientifically. That is, for example, the patient believes that the wife is cheating on him. That can be true also, depending on the circumstances, right? So, this is a non bizarre delusion. Whereas, coming to bizarre delusion, it is not at all acceptable. For example, he says the God gave him a diamond, and this is the diamond which I have. It is giving me very powerful powerful energy. Now I am Hanuman. I can Hanuman pass I have, I can lift mountain, etc. etc. That is very bizarre. It is 100% true that this can never be true. This is a 100% fact that this can never be a true one. This is bizarre versus non bizarre. Another one is it is primary or secondary delusion. Primary is it is not associated with any other psychotic or neurotic or organic disorders. Secondary delusion is always it's secondary to any psychotic disorder, mood disorder like depression, mania, or any other organic brain disorder. Delusion can be very sequential or it can be not sequential. That is, it is very well organized or not well organized. In sequential delusion, the patient explains you very detailedly, like this is this is how this is all about delusion. Hope this video helps you. See all the best, guys. Keep learning. Bye bye.